Salam, I'm Jennifer. I'm from Germany. I really enjoy learning Hebrew with Rosen School of Hebrew. So you have class once a week. You have the opportunity to take open classes, go as slow as or as fast as you would like to learn. I think it's easy to catch up for everyone and also challenging. If you want to do more, the teachers are great and you get to know a lot about the culture. You get to know a lot of people from all over the world and you learn to write and read Hebrew from the beginning. I'm really, really happy with that. And after 1 year, you're able to manage a small conversation. You're able to manage to understand the people in the country. I'm really happy that I took the chance and the opportunity to do that. I hope that you will also decide to try it. I wish you good luck.